the word never to indicate something that has not happened or will not happen. Never happened, never will, never been. It never happened the way they said it would. She never will agree to those terms. I have never been to that restaurant before. To indicate a repeated negative situation. Never again. Never before. Never again in my life. I'm not going there ever again. It was a terrible experience. I had never before seen such a beautiful sunset. Never again in my life will I make that mistake. To express strong refusal or disbelief. Never say, never do, never think. Never say never, because you might regret it later. I would never do such a thing to anyone. Don't ever think it will be that easy. To emphasize an absolute negative. Never in a million years. Never have I. Never did. Never in a million years did I think I would get this job. Never have I felt more proud of my achievements. Never did I expect such a warm welcome. To indicate the absence of possibility. Never possible, never allowed, never permitted. It was never possible to predict the outcome. Smoking is never allowed in this building. You're never permitted to enter that area without permission.